Shot on net. Throwing and shooting, and he scores on the power play. Atlanta strikes first with 7:17 left in the first period. He's one up top, and he scores to tie it. Gallagher evens up the score. 4:51 left to play. Inside. Gallagher shot. He scores! His second of the game. Colin Gallagher gives the Stingrays the lead. Kicked ahead with Charleston. Charleston shorthanded. They have a 2-on-1 chance. Skating in. Feet in front. He scores! Charleston takes a 3-1 lead on a shorthanded goal. The Stingrays logo is carried in. A backhand chance. And he scores on the rebound. Threw it on net. Off the puck there in the corner. Now feet in front, and he scores! Aiden Ennis ties it up. 8:09 left to play in the third period. Underway. Feet up to Gallagher, who has 2 in this one. Now a rebound chance, and he scores! The Charleston Stingrays retake the lead. Face-off circle, feed over to Swanson. And speeds one up top. Swanson shot it, and he scores! It was deflected in. Sebastian Kaminsky ties up the game with 2:31 left. Carried in behind the net, feet in front. Another shot, and he scores to end it! It's all over. The Charleston Stingrays will beat the Atlanta Madhatters in the final.